Assalamu alaikum, hoş geldiniz. I'm getting the same questions from past 2 or 3 weeks, like when will the call for Turkish scholarship interview come? They have started the process for some countries because they go like country wise. They have started for some countries like African countries and Balkan countries. Even they have conducted interviews in Serbia, in Georgia. So they go by country wise, and soon they will be sending the mails to students in India and Pakistan. So a bit more patience is required for the things. Inshallah, you all will get the mail soon, and then we will discuss the process of interview, how that goes, what are the process, what are the things they ask. So let's see there. Assalamu alaikum.